What would you like to do if money were no object? What makes you itch? What sort of a situation would you like? Better to have a short life that is full of what you like doing than a long life spent in a miserable way.
Alright, so today we have something exciting. Everybody's been asking for G37 context, so this is for Jairo.
Yes, sir. We got the ISR wipe. No, not the wipe pipe. We got the ISR exhaust and a random wipe pipe.
Yeah. Unnamed, unbranded white pipe, but it's an ISR. But he already has top speed test pipe, so this is already gonna be like the full exhaust technically. So this is all Jairo needed to have full exhaust. So yeah, let's get it. So right now Jairo is running a
stock everything. He just doesn't have cats, so it sounds like shit. Complete garbage.
Go ahead. Oh my god. You're good, you're good. Does that sound pretty good, Jairo?
No.
What are you doing, Isaac?
I'm sleeping. Loosening it.
This is gonna be Jairo finally gonna do something on his car. So we're hoping he knows what he's doing and doesn't screw anything up.
Yes, sir.
Other side.
Other side first? Wait, these three?
Yeah, the three that are rusted.
¿Cuál que esa puta ni quiere meter? Yo, this don't even want to go in, way.
Neta, Jairo, you already gonna give up?
Oh, don't even trip.
Dale.
Nah, you were good, you were good.
You sure?
Yeah, just hold the gun straight. Yay, Jairo did it!
Oh,
Woo!
beast,
First bowl! 1 down, 6, what is it? 7? No.
5 to go.
5 to go, yeah. That sounds good to me.
Yup.
It's not in there.
Let's go, going?
Someone probably stripped it. They're old, bro. You gotta keep doing it. No.
Not like this, nigga. That's the last thing I want to hear.
Stop. You're stripping it.
Oh shit.
This is Jairo's first dirt in his eye. No. That doesn't sound good to me.
Nope.
It's not bad yet.
Fucking legs are frost.
I know you did.
Oh.
Hey, that was goals, guys. That was really cute. I liked it. That was goals.
Let's still. Pues muévete, güey. Okay, go. Dale, güey.
Relationship goals.
There. What are we?
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Shut up, man.
Hey, we're gonna go high fives. High
I
fives.
wish this was you, man.
We're gonna go high fives. Jairo.
Ahora, güey.
No more the SMB line.
I don't know. kit.
But that's that. I don't think that's gonna fit. Very smooth.
We have to reuse the hangers, so I was gonna take them off real quick. You're gonna need that one from that side. You're gonna need this one from the back. Keep the bolt. It's the bolt that goes screws into it. And you're gonna need this front one, and that's about it. Just those two. Cool.
Action. Okay, so on the G's, when you get an exhaust that's meant for the 350s, 370s, you need an adapter. Because since the G35, the G series have back seats, it makes the cars longer. So this is a 12-inch, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is a 12-inch. Hopefully, it'll fit. You know, we won't know until we put everything on if we have fitment issues. So.
Yep. So we ran into a bit of an issue, Isaac.
Don't fit.
It doesn't fit. So we're gonna MacGyver it so it can fit. Okay, so we figured it out. We think. You wanna explain it, Isaac?
Okay, so the extension piece, we're putting it on the resonator. So say this is the resonator and the white pipe right here. We're putting the extension piece right there. What we found out is that you connect it the same way, and the extension piece goes on the muffler to the resonator, so it'll go right here, and the muffler right there.
Basically between the ISR exhaust, right?
Yeah.
That's where it would go. Cool. There goes about 3 hours down the drain. Hopefully it fits now. Cause Isaac's tired, I'm tired.
Jairo has full energy.
Fucking bees.
Jairo has full energy because he hasn't done jack shit.
I have, bro.
Look at him. He just looks like a guy that doesn't do anything, huh? Look at him. This guy. Alright, so I had to cut this piece off right here. I cut it off. I just cut it with a razor blade. No big deal. Basically, just so the exhaust can sit right here without having to do a lot of issues with the bumper. It's just to give it a little bit more space. You can't really tell, to be honest, because I cut it right on the line. So it looks really good and it looks OEM, and you can't tell. It's just this part that goes in here. This is gone. Just for better fitment issues. I mean, two of them are on there already.
If I can't sit on those, what's the worst that could happen?
It looks hella stupid.
Yeah, but if you put another one, it's gonna look even more stupid, isn't it?
Nah, it's cool like that, bro. I don't think anything's gonna happen with two. Okay. This is a cold start after install. Here we go. Moment of truth.